Right, this is the next bit. It's like the next bit of the verse. You've done the intro, and then you've got the G and the F sharp minor bit. Right, and then you go into the verse. Well, there's no reason to believe she'd always be there. And again, so it goes the same, but if you don't put your faith in what you believe in, it's getting you nowhere. So this is the next bit. So it's getting you nowhere. 'Cause it hurts you never just go. Don't look down, just look up. 'Cause she's always there to remind you. Just to remind you. Then it goes into the chorus. But before we get to that, let's look at that. That's the first line. 'Cause it hurts you never let go. Don't look down, just look up. Okay, so it's C major 7, which is that, it's one finger. And then it's 'cause it. Then you go to the D, which is the way I play it, up here. Because that's the note you want. So, 'cause it hurts. Then you take the finger, you only play one. Then you take that finger off, and that goes to a B minor 7. You never let go. And then back to the C major 7. So that just top line is. Now what I do there, hurts you never let, and then I put my finger back on, but it's the second string on the 5th fret. And then back to the C major 7, which is go. 'Cause it hurts you never let go. Don't look down, just look up. 'Cause she's always there to remind you. Just to remind you. Okay, so 'cause she's always there to remind is on the C major 7. Mind you is on the A minor, and then just to remind you, that's on the D. Once through slowly. Okay, then it's into the, which I'll put on another video so it's not too long.